Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can locate a YouTuber's email address, where you can find the email address. Do you want to contact a YouTuber for a business, but on the YouTuber's channel, there was nowhere to find this email address? There is a way you can locate that email address only when that is enabled on their back end. If they enable that not to be displayed, there is nowhere you can find that on their channel. But in this video, I will show you how you can find a YouTuber's email address when it is enabled on their back end. So let's get into the video. So here, I will go for this person's channel, AB Media. If you have not seen her videos, you can go check it out. So let me right click and go to her channel. So once we are here, what you should do is this: go to About, click on About, then scroll down. You will see View Email Address. She enabled that to be public, though she specified that here, but let's assume that she did not. So how to see her email is by clicking on this View Email Address. Click on that View Email Address. Confirm this, I am not a robot. Then click on Submit. You will see it displayed automatically. So that is how to, find a YouTuber's email address when it is enabled at the back end. Let me show you one example where this is not possible. I open this lady's channel, The Last War. You can go support that channel if you have not. Go for about. You can see here it is empty. There is no, it doesn't have this option this AB Media has. As you can see, there is no option to view the email. So that is how to, locate a YouTuber's email address and contact them for any business. That is it for this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on that red subscribe button below your screen by the right hand side. Then like the video and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you and God bless.